There you go. It's recording. Now don't push the red button again or it'll stop. You got your finger on the red button.
No, I don't.
Alright, here we go.
Wow, I'm getting a lot now back here. I'm getting it all.
You getting it all?
Yeah. Got your boat and everything. getting tired. It's been over 4 minutes.
I'm just about done. Don't stop, but I'll take it.
So we're 5 minutes long.
Good. I'm gonna make some more on it. Okay.
Oh. 5 minutes is a long time.
This here is a Longyear drill rig. Core drill. I believe it's a predecessor to the Longyear 24. As you can see, it has a big plate on the front of the head there. The 24 does not. Also has really old style hydraulic rams. The fittings go into the bottom. Someone's replaced the valve with an aftermarket one. That's definitely not factory. Hold on with hose clamps. Was made by E.J. Longyear Company, Marquette, Michigan. Diamond core drill rig, serial number 1078. It's got a 4-cylinder Waukesha gas engine on it with a magneto crank start. It's got a big, looks like a Racine hydraulic pump. All the hydraulics function. They were all clean. There's nothing in them. The drawworks functions. It's got a 3-speed transmission with a low and high, which gives you 6 speeds. Apparently the head has to be turning for the drawworks to work. Oh no, it doesn't. I got it. You put the transmission into neutral, and then you got low or high for your drawworks. It's got an oiler for the chain, several grease rings. It's been greased. Engine runs good. Doesn't seem to overheat. Had to put a gas filter on it and clean the carburetor out. Other than that, she's good to go. There's a little ding in the top of the radiator there. That's about it. This rig is an antique. Oh, it also has the ability to skid itself around. The cable goes from the drawworks down to a pulley in the skid. From that point, it'll go, there's another pulley behind, and the line comes out the front here in them 2 pulleys, and you got the skids. I could run that line out, hook it onto a tree over there, and ta-da, drag the rig right to the next tree. Anyways, this rig is for sale for a lot of money, because that's what I got into it. That's it, I guess. Oh, the head hinges on the back side, and it's got a bolt there and a hinge pin, and it also hinges on the front side, and it's got a bolt and a hinge pin. You can see the hinge pin right there going down through. So I'm guessing you can either hinge it to the front or to the back, whichever way you prefer. It also has a banjo in it, so the drill will drill at any angle that you'd like to drill with it, right on around to an up hole. That's about it. Thank you. Bye.